Hi everyone, it's Alyssa, the Berry Little Papercrafter, and today I just have a quick little flipbook to show you guys. I did use another tutorial by Pink Strawberries. I do all of her tutorials practically, so I will link her video down below. So you can see the front here. I just kept simple. It says Happy Harvest to you. Oop, all my stuff is falling out. You've got a side pocket in the front and a little envelope here to put a gift card, a little vellum page, another page, and a back pocket. So super quick and simple and fun to make. Let's jump right into my process. So we're gonna start here with a 6 by 12 inch piece of paper. And on the 12-inch side, I'm gonna score at 1.5 inches, 6 inches, and 10.5 inches. Fold these down. If you're using single-sided paper like me, you can cover these two blank pages here. And the measurements she gave for that are 4 1/4 by 5 3/4. So for now, I'm just going to glue on the front page here, and we're leaving the back page until the end. Okay, and then you can also glue down this front pocket. We're gonna put this aside and we're gonna start working on the pages for our little flip book. So you'll need one 4 by 6 paper, and we're gonna put it on the 6-inch side and score it at 1/2 inch, which I already did. So 1/2 inch and 4 inches. And this is just going to be the little envelope inside. So let's put that aside. And then we're gonna need 2 more papers, and they're going to measure 4.5 by 5.5. And so she used a regular paper and a vellum paper, so that's what I'm gonna do as well. And for these, you're just going to score them at 1/2 inch on the 4.5 inch side. So there's that one. And here's my vellum. So we have 3 pages total for the inside, and we're gonna bring back our page for the back cover and pretty much just glue all of these onto the back of this paper. So all of the tabs are gonna be glued onto the back of it. And I'm gonna start with this one. Next, I'll do the vellum page. And last but not least, our little envelope here. Okay, so this is our whole inside. I mean, you can even add more pages if you'd like, but I think this is good. And then we're just going to glue this whole entire thing to the back of our flipbook. And then we can go ahead and glue down the back pocket as well. All right, and then glue down this pocket as well. If you want to put something in the background here, you can totally do that too. I'm just gonna leave mine as it is and just glue this down. I think I do want to put a little notch right here though. Okay, so that's the whole flip book. And now I'm just gonna start decorating. So I'll start with the front. I'm just gonna pop this little card on the front, but I'm gonna corner round it first. And I'll just use some foam tape. I think I'll just put some of these in the inside pocket. I think I'll just put like a little label here so you can write whatever you'd like there. Or maybe I'll do something like that. I have some Thanksgiving stickers here, and I've had these for forever, so I don't even remember where they're from. But maybe I'll just put a little turkey in the corner. And then this little pocket here is supposed to be for a gift card or just something small that you could tuck in there. I have a gift card here that I'm just gonna use as an example. So you can pop that in there. And then on this vellum sheet, I think I wanna put some leaves down. Fake leaves, obviously. I think I'm gonna use my glue dots. I don't know, let's see how that looks. All right. Yeah, I think the glue dots work fine. So let me get the other two. I think I'll actually pop the other two on the back. I think that's all I'm gonna do for that vellum piece. This I'm obviously just gonna leave as is. It's meant for a note or a journal entry. You could even continue writing on the back as well, but I think maybe I will cover up the back using a scrap paper. And this measures out to be almost 3 3/4 by 5 1/8. So any size paper that will fit here will do. You don't have to do those wonky, weird measurements of my scrap paper, but I'm just using what I have. Maybe I'll go back in with some stickers. Maybe I'll just stick some journaling cards in there. I might actually give this to someone for Thanksgiving. So here we have it. Happy harvest to you. We've got our pocket of goodies on the inside, a cute little turkey, place for a gift card, a fun little vellum sheet, and a place to write a note or journal on, give thanks in the back, and some more journaling cards in the back here. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and say hi to me in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next one. Happy crafting!